This is gonna blow your mind. Imagine stepping into a world built entirely by artificial intelligence, where your wildest dreams become digital reality. But what if we could build such dreams while wide awake? Thanks to artificial intelligence, or AI, we can. AI is like a super smart computer brain that learns, creates, and builds on its own. Today we use AI to create entire virtual worlds. Complex, detailed places that exist only inside a computer, waiting for us to explore. Think of these AI-generated worlds as a new kind of internet, one you can walk through, not just click on. Instead of reading about ancient Rome, you could stroll through a virtual Roman forum. Instead of looking at rainforest photos, you could hear digital monkeys and feel computer-generated mist. This technology is evolving fast. Every day, these worlds become more detailed, interactive, and believable. We're at the start of a new frontier, where art, technology, and imagination merge. Our guide is Gineer Pepe, part engineer, part dreamer, and your companion through these digital landscapes. Pepe will help us understand how these worlds are built, from simple code to breathtaking vistas. He's not a real person, but a helpful idea, a guide for this strange and wonderful territory. Together, we'll see how AI acts as builder, artist, and storyteller all at once. So, grab your virtual hard hat. Our journey into AI-generated dreamscapes is about to begin. These virtual spaces are more than entertainment. They're places to learn, create, connect, and experience the impossible. From digital art galleries to cozy virtual cafes, the possibilities are endless. Let's peel back the curtain and see the magic behind the machine. How does a computer build a world from scratch? It starts with data, millions of images of trees, mountains, rivers, and more. The AI studies these, learning patterns and rules, much like a human artist. This process, called machine learning, lets AI understand not just what things look like, but how they fit together. Once trained, AI can create new things from simple instructions, like build a peaceful forest village at sunset. The AI becomes a digital architect, placing trees, carving streams, and designing cottages, each with unique touches. It paints the scene with golden sunset light, adds a wooden bridge, or a wisp of smoke from a chimney. AI can even generate the sounds. Crickets chirping, leaves rustling, creating a multi-sensory experience from a simple prompt. The speed is astonishing. What takes human artists weeks, AI can do in minutes. Don't like the first version? Ask for changes, stone cottages, a waterfall, a new layout. The AI revises instantly. Gineer Pepe compares it to having an infinite box of Lego bricks and a creative builder at your command. The AI isn't just following instructions, it's collaborating, adding its own creative flair. This turns complex design into a simple conversation between you and the computer. The result? Limitless creativity and experimentation. AI world building is now accessible to anyone with an idea. It's a powerful tool, transforming imagination into reality at the speed of thought. The more you interact, the more the AI learns your style and preferences. This partnership between human and machine is changing how we create. AI-generated worlds are no longer science fiction. They're becoming part of our everyday digital lives. Whether you want a cozy village or a sprawling city, AI can build it for you. The only limit is your imagination. Welcome to the era of instant world building. How can computer code feel real? The secret is in the details. Our brains build reality from what we see and hear. AI world builders focus on tiny details, weathered stones, moss in cracks, sunlight glinting off windows. This attention to detail creates presence, the feeling of actually being somewhere, even if it's virtual. AI mimics real-world physics. Objects fall, puddles splash, light and shadows behave as expected. These consistent rules make the world believable. Our brains recognize the patterns and accept the illusion. Sound is just as important. A silent world feels fake, so AI adds layers. Wind in the trees, birds calling, footsteps crunching leaves. When sight and sound match, our brains are convinced. Interaction deepens the illusion. You can pick up objects, open doors, and talk to AI-powered characters. These characters respond in real time, not from a script, making the world feel alive. Gineer Pepe reminds us, it's the combination of detail, physics, sound, and interaction that transforms code into a living place. The more you engage, the more real it feels. AI worlds are dynamic, not static. They react to you. This is why exploring them feels like stepping into another reality. The line between real and virtual is blurring. Soon, these worlds may feel as real as our own. The magic is in the details, and the details are getting better every day. That's the power of AI-driven immersion. Let's tour an AI-created art museum with Gineer Pepe. You don't need a ticket. Just put on VR glasses or open a program, and you're in a grand hall flooded with sunlight. Every detail, from marble floors to domed ceilings, was generated by AI from Pepe's simple command. The paintings? Also AI-made, based on prompts like an astronaut made of flowers or a stormy sea with glass ships. Walk up close, see digital brushstrokes, even though no brush touched a canvas. The AI that built the gallery is different from the one that made the art. Each is specialized. Outside, the sculpture garden features impossible creations. A vortex of liquid metal, a tree woven from light. AI simulates physics to make these sculptures look stable and believable. You can walk around them, hear the light tree hum, and even change the gallery with a voice command. Change wall colors, shift the time of day, or ask the AI to create new art on the spot. This museum isn't just for viewing, it's for participating and creating. Every visit is unique, shaped by your imagination. Now, let's visit Whispering Pines, a peaceful AI-created village. Stroll down cobblestone paths past rustic cottages, each with unique gardens and details. A blue door here, a cat on a porch there. A gentle stream flows through the village, crossed by a wooden bridge. The AI designed the layout to feel organic, not artificial. Every detail, from blades of grass to flower types, was chosen to make the village feel lived in. You can interact. Pick a virtual apple from a tree, or chat with AI villagers. The blacksmith hammers at his anvil, the baker pulls fresh bread from the oven, each with their own routines. These aren't real players, but AI-powered NPCs with daily lives. Conversations are generated in real time, not scripted. Gineer Pepe shows how this interactivity makes the world feel alive. The village isn't just a backdrop. It's a living community with stories and history, all imagined and managed by AI. What if we ask AI to build something purely from imagination? Gineer Pepe types: create a massive forest of crystal trees and glowing moss. Instantly, we're in an ethereal world. Crystal trees refract light, bioluminescent moss glows blue, and strange creatures flit between branches. AI invents new rules. Maybe gravity is lower, or flowers play music when touched. It can create magic, new creatures and puzzles, acting as a dungeon master for your fantasy. Writers, game designers, and dreamers can bring any vision to life. The AI provides the canvas. Your ideas provide the spark. With AI, the only limit is your imagination. AI-generated worlds aren't just for show. They're changing how we play, learn, and connect. Gamers explore vast landscapes and endless quests, while indie developers build ambitious worlds once only possible for big studios. Artists create gravity-defying sculptures and interactive installations in limitless virtual galleries. Students walk through ancient cities or practice surgery on lifelike virtual patients. Firefighters and architects train in safe, realistic simulations. Friends meet up for virtual mini-golf or coffee, no matter the distance. Communities form around shared interests, from movie clubs to support groups. These spaces are the new digital backyards and coffee shops. AI worlds are becoming essential playgrounds, classrooms, and meeting places. Building a world used to require years of coding and design skills. Not anymore. Today's AI tools make world building as easy as typing a sentence. Gineer Pepe demonstrates, I want a private beach at sunset, white sand, turquoise water, palm trees, and a campfire. In moments, a 3D beach scene appears, ready to explore and customize. Make the fire bigger, add a dock, play wave sounds. It's all done by talking to the AI. No programming needed, just describe your vision and tweak as you go. Drag and drop interfaces make it playful and intuitive. These tools are available on gaming platforms and websites, open to anyone with a computer and imagination. Build your childhood home, a secret clubhouse, or a fantasy world. Creation is now for everyone. The barrier is gone. The power to build is in your hands. The future of world building is simple, social, and limitless. We've explored AI museums, lively villages, and fantasy realms, all built by imagination and code. These worlds feel real because they mimic the details, physics, and sounds of our own, creating powerful illusions. They're not just beautiful, they're places to play, learn, and connect. The tools to build them are now simple and accessible. Anyone can be a creator, not just a consumer. The only limit is your imagination. As our journey with Gineer Pepe ends, one question remains. If you could create any world, what would it be? The Dream Factory is open. What world will you dream up?